welcome back. This is the last of our 6-part series of doing our workout series, okay, for our XXX bands. We've got a range of 4 bands here. We've got a few extra ones here, but technically I'll be offering the 4 bands on sale soon. And today we're going to be doing a total body workout, concentrating on 6 moves. It's going to be 18-minute workout, so 3 sets each. 6 times 3 is 18. So we start with the thrusters, the sumo squat pull, the swing, the pull through, mountain climber, and the assisted pull up. Okay, so let's get into it. So we start with the thruster. Thruster, you're stepping on the band. Let me come back here. We're stepping on the band and we're holding the band further down. And as we stand up, what we're doing is we're lifting it up all the way, okay? So it's a full body movement. So part squat, part push up, shoulder push. We want to keep doing these for 45 seconds with a 15-second break, okay? The next move is a sumo squat pull. Sumo squat pull. As we squat down, we're pulling out. So hold on the band. As we squat down, we're pulling out. If the 2 bands are too thick, you can just go into a single band. Just hold one of them. Same up, go down. Okay. Third move, swing. Swing. We're just stepping on the band and we're just going to be pushing up straight arms, or some people like to do bended arm as well. There are with a swing, alternative version is you can also bend down a little bit and come back up. And bend down and come back up. Okay. Pull through. Wrap around somewhere lower down, or on the door. You can throw it on the door and put it on the door and use the door pull. Maybe I'll set it up next time. And what we're going to be doing is holding it tight in, you're sort of bending down, and you're standing up straight, and we're pulling through. Okay, and then we have the mountain climber. So 2 of the second last moves. With the mountain climber, all we're doing is adding extra resistance, like a push up, twist it around. Mountain climber, we're going full speed. If it's a bit too easy, you can also go for Spider-Man, which is similar, but it's knee to elbow on both sides. Okay. So it's the same without the band, but with the band gives you extra resistance. Last but not least, we have the assisted pull-up. So assisted pull-up here, lucky I've got somewhere I can hang this to. It might be a bit tricky in a lot of houses, so a lot of people not necessarily can do the full pull-up themselves, but you have to do a single knee to assist. Grab the bar. You can't see the bar, but I've got a bar here. And then this will help you achieve the repetitions until once you get to the stage where hopefully you won't need the band anymore. Okay, so thanks for joining me with this 6-part series for a workout. We're going to be printing it on our yoga mat, all these series where you can just follow quite simply and easily. and use it with our bands. Okay, thanks for staying in tune, and watch our other series as we come along. Okay, and the key thing is, don't forget to work out today. Okay, peace out.